Subtracting mixed numbers. We want to subtract the 4/10, subtract the 2 and 5/10 from the 4/10. First, we start off with fractions. We cannot subtract the 5/10 from the 1/10, so we're going to have to borrow. We're going to borrow 1 from the 4. So I'll make it 3. And the 1 that we borrow will go next to the 1/10. Now we'll bring down the rest of this. Next, we're going to convert the 1 and 1/10 into a improper fraction by multiplying and adding. Okay. So 10 times 1 is 10, plus 1 more makes 11. So this will be 11/10. Then I bring down all the other numbers. The 3 comes down, minus 2, and 5/10. Okay, now I can subtract my fractions. 11/10 minus 5/10 will leave 6/10. And then when we subtract the whole numbers, 3 take away 2 will leave 1. Now that I have my mixed number, I subtract it. I will simplify this. I can divide both the 6 and the 10 by 2. Okay, dividing these by 2, I'm going to get 1 here. 6 divided by 2, 3, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. Okay, next, we want to subtract these two mixed numbers. We start off with the fractions, but we cannot subtract a 9/12 from a 1/12. So we're going to have to do some borrowing from the 6. So I'm going to borrow 1 from the 6. You got 5. And the 1 that we borrowed goes next to the 1/12. Minus 3 and 9/12. Okay. From here, I'm going to multiply my 12 times 1 and then add 1. So 12 times 1 is 12, plus 1 more will be 13. And now I'm going to bring down my 5, bring down my minus 3 and 9/12. Okay, now I can subtract my fractions. 13/12 minus 9/12 would leave 4/12. And now I'm going to subtract my whole numbers. The 5 minus 3, which will leave 2. Okay. Now, I'm going to simplify this fraction, 4/12. I'm going to divide both numerator and denominator by 4. Okay. The 2 comes down. And when I simplify this, 4 divided by 4 will give us 1. And 12 divided by 4 will give us 3. Okay, next. We're going to subtract these two mixed numbers. You start off with the fractions first. And I cannot subtract a 6/15 from a 1/16. Too small. So I'm going to borrow 1 from the 8. Make that 7. The 1 that I borrow from the 8 goes next to the 1/15. And I'll bring down my -4 and 6/15. Now I'm going to turn this into an improper fraction by multiplying and adding. So 15 times 1 will be 15, plus 1 more makes 16. So this changes into 16 over 15. Now I'm going to bring down my other pieces here. 7, the -4, and the 6/15. At this point, we can subtract our fractions now. I can subtract the 6/15 from a 16/15. That will give me 10/15. Next, I'll subtract my whole numbers, 7 minus 4, which will give us 3. Next, I'm going to simplify the 10 over 15. I will simplify this by dividing both by 5. As a result, we'll get 3 and 2/3 when we simplify 10 divided by 5 and 15 divided by 5.